The problem with my ride though is that the wheel goes forward at 100%, then reverse at 100%. That's either going to cause damage to the wheel, or it will make the passengers jolt in their carriages and make them feel ill or possibly become injured. I need some way of speeding this wheel up and then slowing it down. So I'm going to delete the motors and this line, and I'm now going to think of a way of getting the wheel to speed up, and once it reaches 100%, stop. I'm going to use a process, and I'm going to click on Make X equal X add 10. X is going to be the speed of my motor. To start off with, it will be 0, and then X becomes 0 add 10. In other words, the speed of my motor goes up by 10. Make X equal X plus 10 and click OK. The speed of my motor is going to be X, so switch motor forward, not by a fixed amount, but by the value X. I'm now going to wait for 2 seconds. So let's have a look what happens. X is 0, but X becomes 10. The wheel moves forward at a speed of 10 for 2 seconds, and then I want it to loop back round. So the speed of the motor goes from 10 to 10, add 10, 20 for 2 seconds, and then from 20 to 30, and so forth. But the problem that I'm going to have is this. When I put this all together, just delete that line and take it round to the very beginning. This is what happens. My gate is closed, so the ride is okay to go. I press the button and the ride speeds up. It keeps speeding up and up and up, and it's going up every 2 seconds. It's increasing by 10. But in a minute it's going to go past 100% and brake. It's gone up past 100. It's gone up to 110. So I need some way of making sure it doesn't go past 100. I'm going to need another decision box in there. The other decision box is going to say, is variable X equal to 100? Is the speed of the motor equal to 100? I'm going to double click on that, because if it is not equal to 100, it can carry on speeding up. As soon as it is equal to 100, the ride is going to stop. Let's join these up. Is the speed of the ride equal 100? If it's not, it speeds up and can carry on speeding up until it reaches 100, yes, at which point it's going to stop and come back round here. Let's see how that works. It's speeding up by 10 every 2 seconds, and it keeps checking to see if it's reached 100%. When it has reached 100%, it's going to say yes, and it's going to stop. I need to just change this slightly. Is it 100%? I need to get the motor to turn off. That's better. Let me try that now. It's speeding up. Every 2 seconds it's going up by 10 more, and 10 more, and 10 more, until it reaches 100%. Then it's going to switch the wheel off and then wait for me to press the start button once more. Your final challenge is, once it reaches 100%, I want the same procedure here to slow down. Instead of just stopping, it's got to slow down. You're going to need x equals x minus 10 as a procedure here to slow down before it returns back to the start.